Ooh, our special guest is going to be thrilled. He's going to kill them all. No, Candy, not Poppy. She's always been his favorite. I think she's a little asking Annie. Oh, she is a little asking Annie. Oh, please take me out of my case. Oh, please rescue the orphans. Oh, please blow up the whole factory and burn everyone alive. Our special guest is here. What did you do with them? Where are the orphans? Uh-oh, she doesn't know.
What are you talking about?
I did.
But I had to.
They're...
A better place now.
You're a monster!
I built us a home,
and kept us.
safe,
And you repaid me
by bringing in an outsider.
plotting to
Destroy
the only heaven
You or I
will ever get. I had hoped your time in the case
would help you see.
reason. I see now.
This was my fault.
You act
like a child because
a child.
Is what they made you.
You're hurting me!
Don't be afraid.
I can fix you.
Poppy?
I
Can make better.
And you,
the outsider.
Butcher.
They call you.
shall we see what you look like?
Wrong side out.
Don't
Touch.
Get up!
I gotta get out of here!